individual Gurban Aliyev, who was illegally evicted from his apartment located on 95/97 Neftçiler Avenue, has not received compensation so far and does not have a place to stay. The family of Aliyev lived in a building located near the Maiden Tower, which was demolished in 2009. The building was reportedly sold to a high-ranking state official. Aliyev said he asked $500,000 for his 200 square meter apartment. However, the building was eventually demolished by the Baku Executive Power and Aliyev's family was forced out of their home by the police. The Baku Executive Power said the building was demolished on the basis of a decision by the Minister of Emergency Situations, according to which the building was unfit for living. The Baku Executive Power refuses to pay Aliyev the court-ordered 370,000 manat in compensation, considering this amount to be more than reasonable. Gurban Aliyev has fallen ill with diabetes since he had been living on streets. He is also a cancer patient who needs to be operated. Aliyev has appealed to the president and diplomatic missions, asking to help him get the compensation.